Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've recently installed iOS 27 beta and noticed a message in settings that says indexing in progress, don't panic. A lot of users online are seeing the same thing after updating to iOS 27, and many are wondering whether it's normal or if something is wrong with their iPhone. The short answer is yes. In most cases, it's completely normal. So what exactly is indexing? After a major iOS update, your iPhone has to rebuild and organize a lot of information in the background. This includes photos, messages, files, contacts, Spotlight search results, and Apple Intelligence-related data. During this process, your iPhone is working much harder than usual. That's why many users report battery drain, overheating, slower performance, and even their iPhone getting warm during tasks like video recording. I've also seen users asking whether indexing is preventing access to the new Siri AI features in iOS 27. Based on reports from beta testers, indexing and the Siri waitlist appear to be separate things. Some users received access to the new Siri while their device was still indexing. Now the big question, how long does indexing take? The answer depends on how much data is stored on your iPhone. For some users, it finishes within a few hours. For others, especially those with lots of photos, messages, apps, and iCloud content, it may take 1 to 3 days to fully complete. While indexing is running, try to keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi and charge it overnight whenever possible. This allows iOS 27 to finish the background tasks more efficiently. If your iPhone still shows indexing in progress after several days, try restarting the device and checking again. Some beta testers reported that the message remained visible even after a reboot, so this may also be a beta software bug. The good news is that once indexing is complete, battery life, performance, and device temperature usually improve significantly. So if you're seeing indexing in progress after installing iOS 27 beta, it's generally normal and expected behavior. Let me know in the comments how long your iPhone has been indexing and whether you've noticed overheating, battery drain, or delayed Siri access after updating to iOS 27 beta. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.